Hey guys, my name is Hania Ray and this is my plant channel. Today is a very special day. I just received my box from Glasshouse Works. Glasshouse Works, if you're not familiar, they propagate all of their plants from cuttings. So you might have to wait 6 to 8 weeks for those plants to grow. But once you get them, you know that they have just come from the mother plant. They haven't been sitting around, and I guess they're fresh. Is that what you would say? So let's get started. I also have this mystery box that I'm not totally sure what it is. I have a feeling I know, but I'm gonna open it up for you guys. So, this is so exciting. So I traded these other plants for Raven, homunculus plants. They came in and they were total mush. But this super kind Redditor decided to send me a brand new plant, essentially saying, you know, hey, I'm sorry, these guys had their bulbs totally mushed when they went to you in mail, but these guys are totally fine and healthy looking. I'm not gonna say what that reminds me of. But these are beautiful Raven ZZs. This person is super kind. Their root structure seems totally intact and they're only a little cold. The way that they were shipped before, they may have gone a little too long in the mail and they essentially went to mush in this bulb right here. So when you picked it up, it was like just crushed. Once I get this guy unwrapped, we'll start with Glasshouse Works. Cool. Cool. For my next trick, so this is the box I got from Glasshouse Works. I'm actually really excited. It's heavy. And I thought I ordered a bunch of small plants, but it seems like they just packed a bunch in here. This is like the fun part. My cats are gonna love this. It's like crazy packing material here. Shredded newspaper. Gemma! Gemma! I have the box open. We are ready to dig in. This guy looks adorable. Oh, I guess they sent this to me as a gift. That's funny. This is it looks like a Pelia, aluminum Pelia. So this guy, ooh, I can already tell. I love him. I love him. This is a beautiful begonia. And this is my Begonia little brother, what does that say? Little brother Montgomery. And I believe actually this was a substitute for Begonia Aquamarine that I had ordered. So this is little brother Montgomery. This guy is Begonia Thurstonii hybrid. You can see he's got a little crisp on him. We will revive him in short order. But look how cute that is. Very shiny, shimmery leaves. Ooh, this is a beautiful begonia. Trying to get this paper off of her. Look at those leaves, you guys. She is Begonia Andrea. Look at those beautiful, beautiful silvery red leaves. I honestly am stunned. Look at, just gorgeous. So this is Begonia Art Hodes, and these leaves are crazy. Do you see that texture? How gorgeous that texture is? like hoping the camera can focus on them because this is amazing. And that color, like the beautiful yellow brown to this green, holy crap. Gorgeous. I got a Peperomia caperata Burgundy because I've seen people with these and they are super beautiful. I love it so much. Look at the red. Isn't that gorgeous? That red, and then it's silvery green on top. Red, silvery green. I believe this is Begonia Cherries and Chocolate. Oof. I don't deserve her. She's my gothic girl. And I could totally kill for some cherries and chocolate right now. And that is exactly what her name is. Isn't she absolutely stunning? She is absolutely stunning. She's just got it all going for her. Just to recap, I got a bunch of begonias, a Pelia, and a Peperomia, and 2 Ravens EZ plants. Here's my Ravens. Peperomia Burgundy. Pelia Aquamarine. This is my Cherries and Chocolate Stunner Gorgeous Girl. This is my Art Hodes Crazy Leaves Begonia. This is my little brother Montgomery Begonia. This is my Begonia Thurstonii that I'm hoping I can get to look a little bit better. And this is my Begonia Andrea, also really fabulous. I love her. Anyway, thanks so much, you guys, for watching me do this unboxing video. I hope it was exciting because this is really cool. There's so many colors and so many beautiful, beautiful begonia species. My beautiful Burgundy Peperomia, my Ravens EZs, and my Pelia.